Ex-schoolmate exposes actress Samkelo Ndlovu. Actress and musician Samkelo Ndlovu have once again landed on the wrong side of social media, and this time it is someone from back in primary school. The Twitter user, who goes by just Xavier B, said, "I went to school with Samkelo Ndlovu, let's say she never changed." Someone asked Xavier how Samkelo was at school. He said, "A very nasty trying to be famous someone, that was primary school, just imagine. My friend was always friends with her still. People are still dragging her for filth, and now there are accusations of Samkelo using her foundation to help clean their boyfriend's money." One of the tweets said, "She thinks she's on top of things, that she won. But same as Sam Lee Hoko, when you mention their names it will always be followed by doesn't she owe people money, wasn't she being messy on social media, and that's what will follow their hard-earned careers. It's a money laundering project. Their Nigerian boyfriends are cleaning their drug money through these foundations. That's why most Santon slay queens have such NGOs." A month ago, Samkelo revealed that she had started an organization. Samu took to Instagram to announce that she has started a non-profit organization, NPO, the Samkelo Ndlovu Foundation, in an effort to lessen the effects of social injustices that affect women and children of South Africa. She said, "Friends, in my long overdue pursuit of philanthropy I have begun a registered non-profit organization in response to the pandemic and the effects that the lockdown restrictions have on women and children, as well as leaders of child-headed homes whose parents are diseased by the virus or anything else. Please help us by following our page and giving us any story or person you know of who is the leader of a child-headed home, or single mother or child in need of assistance. Please include their contact details. We are not looking for donations, but for you to help us locate our friends in need of assistance." Debuting the foundation on Instagram, Samkelo said that this has been a long time coming. In June, Samkelos NPO also took to Instagram to thank the people that have followed them so far. They said, "Thank you for following our page and being a part of our community. This means a great deal to us as an organization that seeks to help near, far, and wide. Your support is a huge part of us, and it does not go unnoticed. If you know any child-headed families, single moms, or children in your community that could use a helping hand, please DM us a short letter detailing their story as well as their contact details and province they live in. Together, we can shine a light on the real issues that affect women and children, and create solutions that make a lasting impact." Speaking on the messiness that Samkelo has been embroiled in, some of the tweets said, "She thinks she's on top of things, that she won. But same as Sam Lee Hoko, when you mention their names it will always be followed by doesn't she owe people money, wasn't she being messy on social media, and that's what will follow their hard-earned careers. I really hope Samkelo Ndlovu's days come very soon, because this is disgusting behavior. It's an unpleasant way to show stupidity and a repulsive attitude. Which brand would want to work with such a person?" Yeah.